So here's the board as it starts. The bits I'm going to use is one of the 8 GBMs for block detection, and then a couple of the 4 WDACs. Each one of those will control 4-point motors. So for this board, I have a couple of connections coming in from the network, which go around and terminate into the back of these boxes. Power comes in, that will then go and be distributed to here, to these two here, which will then come back, and then we'll have the cabling going under the board. So you can see I need to replicate this for here and here. So let's get building.